welcome back to As Good As We Can. Today we are going to prepare together one of my favorite recipes. I make this recipe almost every week because it's healthy, it's perfect for breakfast or for a quick snack at work. And it contains banana, yogurt, egg, sugar, sunflower oil, vanilla aroma, flour and baking powder. Very easy, very fast. Let's make it together.
Start by smashing 2 bananas in a bowl until smooth and soft. Add then the sugar and mix until everything is well incorporated. After, add the honey yogurt, the sunflower oil, and a teaspoon of vanilla aroma. You can also use regular white yogurt and add 1 teaspoon of honey. Add the entire egg and mix everything. When all the ingredients are well mixed, add the flour and the baking powder. And add some chocolate drops. You can also add nuts if you prefer, like pecan or walnuts. Put the dough in a baking pan covered with baking paper. Decorate with one more banana cut in half. Bake the banana bread at 165 degrees, ventilated oven for 45 minutes.
So guys, after 45 minutes in the oven, our banana bread is ready. Now we have to let it cool down completely before cutting it, and I always put it on a grid for this last step. I hope you really like this quick video, and I hope to see your banana bread very soon. I hope to see you next time, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future very tasty and family recipes. Ciao guys!